Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a label to the post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to add a content label to the post on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. For an example, just going to post something here like happy or whatever. I just going to post here. So I just need to add a label for this post here. So for that, first of all, you just need to click on this particular symbol, the last symbol, click this. Now you have this option called add content label. So first you just need to content, the mature content has been here. So just going to turn this on, and you have a subcategory of whatever the content like you just posting here. You have a 3 or different option. If you just posting something like violence, you just need to turn this on, so the label will be there. If you just need to make it as mature, you just can turn it turn it on the mature, the sick, and you can just click on the done option. Now the label has been mentioned here. If you just post it, so it will be go with a label of matured content. You can see the content label is mature, so you can just use this. This is how you just label the content on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.